Hello everyone, hi guys, welcome to I'm doing good. So welcome back to my video session. So today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 on to a Toshiba 4TB hard drive. So I've got Microsoft Windows 10 Pro 64-bit software. So first of all, you'll um you'll come to this screen, yeah, HDMI. Now, obviously, the computer's not on. You can't really do anything. So what you have to do, you have to just turn it on. Yeah. Don't be scared what's going to happen here. It's going to probably take you to the BIOS because nothing's actually working. There's no operating system, nothing there. See that? Yeah, it's going to do that. Oh, don't worry about that. Yeah. So now what you can do, you can put your disk in there, whatever drive you have activated on there. Yeah. I can even show you that as well. So what you have to do is use your keys on the keyboard, go to advanced. There you go. Now you need to go to a section which says boot. Okay? Just press right on your arrow keyboard again. We're on boot now, yeah? So you got boot options here, yeah? It's gonna ask you. So go to boot option 1, press enter. Here, select the DVD-ROM. Okay? Whatever your DVD-ROM is in your computer. Okay? Now it's showing my, I think if you look at P1 is my DVD-ROM, and it's showing P3 as my Toshiba hard drive. See that? So exit that. You only just need to activate. You need to just select the right one. So whatever drive is showing up in there, you should always use the DVD-ROM. All right, always use that. Here we go. It's a DVD-ROM should show up. That is all. So now what you can do, you can just exit. Just press exit here. Yeah, just press yes. That's it. See, it's reading from the disk already. Check it out. That's how you do it. Do not go for a DVD-RW. Go for a DVD-ROM drive. They're the best drives for this kind of process. Whatever drive you got, just activate. It should be the first drive in your computer. Either it's a DVD-ROM drive or a DVD-RW, whichever one it is out of them. Select the first one, not the second one, okay? It's always going to work like that better. Look at that. Now, follow this process very carefully. Okay, so let me just wear my spectacles so we can see clearly. Yeah, it's already United Kingdom, that's fine. Next. Install now. Okay, so this is good. Oh wow, as you can see, setup is starting. You don't need to really see that. Now you need to know the next process of this thing. Now you need to know the key, yeah? You need to know the key and stuff like that. I actually can't show you my key on there. Okay. Okay, it's actually showing the key. So what I have to do, I can't show you that. Allowed. So whatever serial key you got, just put it in there, the way it's written on there. You just type it in like that. That's it. Automatically caps will be on. Because it's your own key, you can't show it to anybody, you know. Otherwise, it won't work for yourself. Okay. And that's it. You're not supposed to be showing your serial keys to anybody anyway. It's your disk. You have to keep it safe. Okay. And that's it. Alright. Back in action. Now, here you have to either set license terms. Click on that. And next. Now here, I won't go to upgrade. Go to custom install Windows only advanced. Go on that. So I think everything's done on here. If your hard drive is not showing anything, yeah, if it shows things like that, format, if I'm going to press format here and keep on following the steps on there, all right? Because mine's already got the space, so I don't need to do anything. That's it. Then it starts doing that. Do format your hard drive if it's got the format option there. Mine doesn't have it because I think it's already formatted. Because if you bought it from a seller, whoever it is, if it's already formatted for you, then it's fine. Because this is a very high level hard drive, which I'm not going to talk about it in this video. We will talk about it in a separate video. There you go. That's how you do it. Make sure you got the serial key if you need that. Otherwise, it's only going to work for probably a few weeks and just expire. Okay. Beautiful. So this is a Toshiba 4TB hard drive, which is the enterprise one. So it's the one that business people use. It's one of them hard drives. Okay, it's not a normal hard drive, by the way. It's a really, really impressive hard drive. These are. They're much more advanced than the standard hard drives we use. It's nothing like them. I will explain in a separate video about the normal hard drives versus the enterprise hard drives. Okay, we will talk about that. So let's install this anyway. Let's do this. pretty fast. So keep on watching it. I'm gonna give you a real live time process on the screen. I'm not gonna skip anything. So this is the real time it takes. The hard drive I actually bought. I will put under the YouTube low YouTube video the actual what hard drive model it is. So I'll put all the information in there so you can get the same one if you want. And I'll probably put some links in there below my video where to get this hard drive from. The model, everything, all the information on it, and the price, everything. From the time making this video, if the item will be available. Yeah, so at a later stage, the item can probably sell out. These are quite popular when people find out when whoever is selling it, they will actually buy them quite normally. They will buy it. Whoever needs one, yeah. But no hard drive wouldn't install anything. Hardly you should take a lot of pressure to install something. My hard drive was like just messed up, man. Such a large size 4 TBs. I mean, you have got a lot of them, maybe different folders. You know, I know lots of people make C and D drives, like C is your internal memory, and D is your data. I don't think you really need to do that. Especially you got a large hard drive, just make your folders. You'll be fine. Yeah, there is a catch to it because, like, if you put too much stuff onto the C drive, it tends to slow down with the normal hard drives. I don't think that will happen with the enterprise hard drives, believe me on that. I don't think that will happen with these. I will tell you that in a different video why that won't happen with these. These hard drives are totally different. They are for the businesses, you know, so they're not gonna be some, you know, they're not gonna act like the normal hard drives, are they? And these hard drives are not for the home. Well, you can use them to the home if you want. They're a lot better. You know? And they don't go busy that much as well. That's why I like these hard drives. Work really, really well. It's pretty fast, you know. Now you're gonna get that drive thing here again. Don't press anything for me, okay? Or you're gonna mess it up. Look, just leave it. Don't press anything. Now it's going further. You only press it when you start the process at the starting. You only press it once. You don't do this. You don't do the second time, alright? You don't press anything second time. So always remember that as well. If you're wondering how much memory comes from a 4 TB hard drive. It should be, in terms of Windows, it should be 3.63. Okay, GB. So that's 3,630 in a different way. Put it that way, GB. That's how much memory you're gonna get out of it. You ain't gonna get full 4,000 GB. You won't get that. But still, 3.63, it's quite a lot. Of course, it's a lot. Definitely go for this hard drive. You get a lot of memory. You're never gonna be out of memory. I know I won't be. I don't know, because when you pull out like big, large files, like from your work and all that, and even the like your video games, they're quite large file size, isn't it? So buying a hard drive is good. Especially when you got a lot of PC Steam games, you can put quite a lot of them in there. Okay. All right. Third time. Works perfect. Don't press enter again. Third time as well. Leave it the way it is. It should be the final process, like installing everything, yeah? What you need to for your computer and all that stuff, yeah? Really cool. Just use the express settings. It's the best way to go. Perfect. You can see that sound is the hard drive is making. It's really good. I usually don't hear that on the hard drive much. Yeah, this one you can hear it properly. So you know it's busy. You can tell it's busy when on my computer it's like a blue LED light. It's got a blue light on there. And mine's like that. Because I put that cable on there so you can see the light on there. Pretty easy, really, once you know how to do it. It's best to get it right first time, otherwise you're going to go into a lot of problems. Then you need to do more in a professional way if you make a mistake, you see. So try and get it right first time. Although you're going to start asking for help from other people. Go as already from here. Then sometimes they want to like, install the operating system properly then. You will do things like that. Okay, here you have to create an account for this PC. So he goes, who's going to use this PC? Who's it for? So the username, put your name, whoever you are. This is my name anyway. Okay. If you want to enter a password, you can. I'm not going to enter anything. Get your name right. Otherwise, you won't have to edit it, Causes a lot of problems. See, we're setting things up for you. Now, everything is getting stored for like your drivers, everything you need for your devices, and all the programs is going to set up on the desktop screen. Stuff like my PC, file browser, recycle bin, setting up apps. He's talking about stuff like that, and this won't take long. Let's start. There you go. Now, put this down, right here, and then go to this start menu, scroll, and then go to all apps, and go to Windows. I think is Windows System. And this PC here is this PC, not my PC, sorry. And drag you up here. Again, go again on it. Go in the File Explorer as well. Windows System. File Explorer, drag that out here. And then put it to desktop here. Check it out. Yeah, I put everything in there, back in there. Yeah, there's nothing in there now. So once your computer is all set it up, you need to put the disk that came with your motherboard. You need to put all the drivers in there and things like that, of that nature. Okay, so what I'll do if I can find my disk. Hold on. Because obviously it's my motherboard Asus. Those could be something else. Okay. They're usually original with the motherboard, yeah. They come on the motherboard. Yeah, this is the one. No. Now you can remove this disk from the computer. I'll remove it right now if I was you. Get it out, you don't need it anymore. Once it's fully installed, you don't need it anymore, right? That's all it is. Done. Now I'm gonna show you further things now to do this. Okay, so that one's done. Okay, now further. Okay. So whatever motherboard you got, it should come with an original disc. If you haven't got that disc, you probably have to download it from the internet. Makes it more even difficult. This disc, this is the one that came with me, yeah. So I will install that. So put that in your drive. Because you're not going to be able to do nothing. You can't go to network, nothing. Won't work. Just normally won't do anything because it's a startup here. And go to setup. You need to do all this, alright? There's nothing in there. You're not going to do nothing. There's no audio, there's nothing of video, nothing. What are you going to do? So install everything for your integrated stuff. Okay, just do it. Drivers. Okay. Okay, ignore all that. Intel chipset driver, do that. So I'm doing it the way when you get the computer and you do it for integrated GPU and all that, yeah? Your integrated chipsets and the GPUs in there. It's on the motherboard really. You don't get like a video card or something like that, okay? Press next. Set. Stop. You go to start later, yeah? Okay. Because we need to do more. Can't do that. Then do the retake audio drive as well. You definitely need that in there. Usually the one it does it with the operating system, but you should install your own one in there, okay? So whatever audio drives in there, install it. It needs to be in the hard drive. You need to put one in there, right? You need to do everything what I'm showing you. You have to do all of these things, okay? So far we've done the Intel chipset. You need that chipsets where you can use an integrated GPU thing. Now we're putting the audio driver, which is a Realtek high definition audio driver, 6.0.1.7503 x64 edition. So keep on following these steps. Right now the Ethernet thing's not in there, okay? It's got a cross on there at the bottom. It does take time to do all this, It's not an easy process. It's going to do a few minutes. You can store all these drives and programs in there, yeah? So keep on installing all this stuff in there. Keep on following all this, everything I show you. Follow all my steps, and you should be good to go. Okay. Right. So press no here as well. We'll do that later. Right. Now the LAN driver. This is the thing you need. That's for your Ethernet, yeah? Let's go. You could do it all together, so don't worry about it. Because you can't give a restart every second day. Install. These always work for me, even they're old. There's no problem with these. They're excellent. So if you haven't got these discs, so whatever motherboard you got, go on their website and install all these. Yeah. Okay. Utilities. These are some utilities in there. If you need that, I've got them on my disk, so don't bother. Got some of these CPU drivers. The manual. If you ever want to read that, contact specials. That's it really. So what you can do now, close the screens, take the disk out, and restart the computer. Yeah, do it. Remember the restart he was asking for. You have to do it now. So everything gets installed properly. Excellent. There we go. Rest of the programs you can just install them wherever they were. Okay. Let's see really. really fast. There you go. Okay, let me just do this. Oh, because my Ethernet is closed. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah, see. There you go. Ethernet's on now. Do you want to allow your PCs to be discovered by other PC and devices on this network? It's up to you. I'll probably just say no yet. There you go. That's it. If you got an Ethernet connected to somehow to your hub, whatever, or you got BT power line adapters, connect that cable up. It's all activated because mine was switched off from there and stuff like that. That's it really. There you go. You should be able to work your networks whatever you're using. Because even you got this E thing here. We could use those. Let's try it. There you go. Then it goes download Microsoft Edge, set download. Just press run from there. Yeah, press yes. This is for Microsoft Edge. Yeah, but at least you need a browser right there. Just minimize this. See, downloading Microsoft Edge. At least you have some browser in there to use it. There isn't one in the year right now. Look at that, everything fully ready for you guys. Working so well. So perfect. Now it's installing. Okay. Yeah, it should come on now. Press this too. Oh, this is now here. Confirm and day. I don't know. I'm not really bothered by my experiences. Okay, got all this stuff. Okay, next. And just press accept. Yeah, working, look at that. There you go, the browser's working. Okay. Skip all that. Next. Oh, pick all these. I'm browsing, yeah. Okay, that's good. There you go. Perfect. So there you go. Everything is done now. And yeah, because you see that. There you have it. Everything is installed now. If you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.